Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. India seizes in $162 million in crypto investment scheme. Will Pakistan completely ban cryptocurrencies? Japan-based crypto exchange DeCurret plans to sell to HK's Amber Group, report says. As per 12th January 2022, with around 900% surge, Metaverse Future Token tops the meme coin list. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, the Enforcement Directorate of India confiscated assets worth 36.72 crore rupees, which sums up to $5 million in connection with a Bitcoin fraud. After the Kerala police filed a first information report under the Indian Penal Code, the ED began probing the scam. Over 900 investors were allegedly scammed out of 1,200 crore rupees, according to the authorities. Well, welcome to another episode of Does This Much Money Even Exist? Anyways, let's have a look at what exactly happened. In connection with the cryptocurrency scam, India's Enforcement Directorate, a specialized financial investigation agency under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, seized assets worth 36.72 crore rupees. Morris Coin, a non-existent cryptocurrency, is used in the scheme. Nishad and his companies raised money from investors through an initial coin offering from the coin. To attract investors, the ED stated that they held promotional events in the presence of celebrities and used flashy websites. According to the ED, the funds raised from investors were used to purchase immovable properties, cryptocurrencies, and luxury cars, as well as pay for premium hotels and resorts. Nishad K and his associates are the owners of the seized assets. They include money in multiple bank accounts, land, and cryptocurrency purchased with criminal proceeds. ED further noted that cryptocurrencies such as ETH, BTC, BNB, YFI, VET, ADA, and USDT valued at 25 crores 82,794 rupees and maintained at Indian and international crypto exchanges were found. They were purchased out of the proceeds of crime. In addition, a search action was also conducted under Section 17 of the PMLA 2002 at 11 premises situated across various states such as Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and New Delhi. This resulted in the identification of details worth several crore of immovable and other property details. The premises include the residential and office premises of the entities that are related to Nishad K and his companies. Further investigation is under progress by ED. So moving ahead with our next segment for today, the SPP is in favor of a cryptocurrency prohibition. SHC has received reports in favor of the prohibition on virtual currency. Pakistan's legal and finance ministries are in charge of issuing the ultimate decision. The next hearing is scheduled on April 12th. Well, let's have a look at what exactly happened. A report submitted by Sindh High Court on Wednesday stated that the State Bank of Pakistan and the federal government are planning to impose a complete ban on the use of all cryptocurrencies in Pakistan. The decision regarding the status of digital currencies in the country has been long delayed due to the absence of laws. SHC has therefore instructed to foist penalties against crypto exchanges as well. The committee formed in direction of the court for regulating cryptocurrencies in 3 months has stated that it is illegal and therefore the trading of these currencies should be banned. To further support its statement, the committee has mentioned 11 countries that have put a ban on the same. FIA's recent investigation against crypto exchanges posing threats to investors further backs the report. SPP Deputy Governor General Seema Kamil is also for the ban of cryptocurrencies and has submitted a 38-page report stating that these virtual currencies can be used to support acts of terrorism and money laundering. Prior to this, SPP has also warned banks that digital currencies are not legal tenders that have been issued by the government of Pakistan. A petitioner, Waqar Zaka, is pleading with the court to legalize the use of cryptocurrency in the country as thousands of investors in Pakistan have already invested $20 billion in this. A final decision is still awaiting as the law and finance ministries will be responsible for directing the ban according to the orders given by SHC. The next hearing of the case will be on April 12th. So jumping to our next segment, DeCurret, a Japan-based firm that offers digital asset trading and exchanges, is apparently planning to sell its crypto business to investing platform Amber Group. The crypto exchange was unable to compete with large competitors such as Bitflyer and CoinCheck, according to Nikkei article, and earnings were shrinking. According to a story published in the Nikkei newspaper on Wednesday, DeCurret Holdings plans to sell its crypto division to the Hong Kong-based Amber Group in February. Despite the fact that the acquisition's details are unknown, the news site indicated that the transaction price would be in millions. In December 2021, DeCurret restructured its operations, forming DeCurret Holdings as a holding company and dividing its digital currency and crypto businesses into independent companies. DeCurret Inc. will represent the company's crypto exchange business, while DeCurret DCP will manage the digital currency business according to the proposed agreement. DeCurret is apparently planning to focus on digital currencies following the sale of its crypto unit. Digital currencies are recognized as separate from cryptocurrency by Japanese regulators, particularly the Financial Services Agencies or FSA. DeCurret was first announced in 2019 and subsequently got regulatory permission from the FSA, proposing that the cryptocurrency be used as a payment mechanism for Japan's public transportation system. The crypto exchange, however, was unable to compete with larger competitors like Bitflyer and Coincheck, according to the Nikkei article, and earnings were shrinking. So moving ahead with our next segment for today, we're going to talk about the top meme coin for today, and the name is, what it is? A fact or a name? It's Metaverse Future. Well, let's have a look at some stats and what this coin is about. Today's Metaverse future price is $0.047093 USD with $599,965 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our Meta F to USD pricing is updated according to 6 a.m. IST. In the past 24 hours, Metaverse future has gained 989% of its value. With the live market cap of not available, the current coin market cap ranking is 3566. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 888 million Meta F coins. PancakeSwap and B2P are the main cryptocurrency exchanges for buying Metaverse Future shares if you want to know where to purchase Metaverse Future. The Metaverse Future was created with the goal of creating an open metaverse in which partners may not only play games for money but also freely produce values to meet the needs of Metaverse residents. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coinmonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.